Hello everyone. So we are continuing to solve our CBSE Math board paper for class 10th, year 2015, set 2. We have already finished doing section A, section B and section C in our previous videos. Now let's move to section D. In this section, there are 11 questions and 4 marks each. So let's move to question number 21. This question we have to prove that the tangent drawn at the midpoint of an arc of a circle. Okay, so this is the circle with center O and let this be the arc AB and midpoint of this, and tangent is drawn here. So let this be T, this be P and this be Q. Tangent drawn at the midpoint of an arc of the circle is parallel to the chord joining the end points of the arc. So we have to prove this is parallel to this. Okay, so what is given to us is a circle with center O and arc AB, and T is the midpoint of arc AB. Then we have to join this, so there is a chord AB and tangent at midpoint of arc PTQ. Construction, we know we had to join AB, OA and OB. So we have this and OT. So let's join this. Okay, and we have to prove that AB is parallel to PTQ, the line PQ. OT and AB intersect at M. So this point is M. So now for proof, we'll consider the triangles AOM and BOM. So let's write down our statements and reasons. So we have first is OA is equal to OB. We know these both are radii of same circle. Then second point, we can say OM is equal to OM. That's the common side, and we can say angle AOM is equal to angle BOM, angles made by equal arcs. Okay, therefore I can say that triangle AOM is congruent to triangle BOM by SAS property of congruency. Then therefore we can say that angle AMO is equal to angle BMO by CPCTC. Then we have angle AMO plus angle BMO is equal to 180 degree. The reason being linear pair of angles. Angle AMO is equal to angle BMO is equal to 180 degree by 2, because both are equal from 5 and 6th point. And we also know that angle AMO is also equal to angle PTO, both are equal to 90 degree. Why PTO? So angle PTO is equal to 90 degree as line from center to tangent. Therefore, angle AMO and angle PTO form corresponding angles. Therefore, I can say that AB is parallel to PTQ line. Hence proved. Question number 22nd. This question is based on trigonometry. It says at a point A, which is 20 meters above the level of the water of the lake. Let this be the level of the lake. Here we have water. Okay, and point A is 20 meters above the level of the water. Angle of elevation of the cloud is 30 degree. So here we have the cloud, and this angle of elevation is 30 degrees. The angle of depression of the reflection. Okay, reflection will be of the equal height, right? So I can take my cloud here. This is the reflection. So this angle is 60 degrees. And you have to find the distance of the cloud from A. So let this point be C, let this point be D, and this point be E. So this is the diagram, and we have to find out AC. We are just given this distance. So let BC is equal to H meters. Therefore, BD will be equal to H plus 20 plus 20. So H plus 40 meters. Tan 30 degree is equal to H by AB. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So H by AB. AB is equal to root 3 H. Tan 60 degree is equal to BD by AB. So tan 60 degrees root 3 is equal to BD, we know it's H plus 40, and AB I can write down as root 3H here. So 3H is equal to H plus 40, 2H is equal to 40, H is equal to 20 meter. So we have got H. Now we have to find AC. So I can say sine 30 degree is equal to BC by AC. So sine 30 degree is half, and BC is equal to height, so that's 20, and AC we have to find out. Therefore AC is equal to 40 meters. So answer, the distance of cloud from A, is equal to 40 meter. Question number 23rd. In this question, they say a card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of playing cards. So we know there are 52 cards in a deck. So total number of outcomes will be 52. We can write down the formula for probability. Probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Okay, now we'll go to each part. There are 4 parts. First part, a card of a spade or an ace. So we know there are 13 spades and rest 3 aces, right? So there are 4 aces, but one we have already counted as spade, so there are 16 cards, right? So total favorable outcomes are 16, and therefore probability of this event will be equal to 16 by 52. So 4 times and 13, so 4 by 13 is the answer. Second part, they say a black king. So we know there are 2 black kings. Therefore probability of this event is equal to 2 by 52. So we have 1 by 26. Answer. Third part, neither jack nor a king. So there are 4 jacks and there are 4 kings. So number of favorable outcomes will be equal to 52 minus 4 minus 4. So this is equal to 44. So probability of this event is equal to 44 by 52. So we have 11 and 13. So 11 by 13 is the answer. Now fourth part, either a king or a queen. So there are 4 kings and there are 4 queens. So number of favorable outcomes are 4 plus 4, 8. So probability of this event is equal to 8 by 52, 2 times and 13 times, so 2 by 13 is the answer. Question number 24th. Question is based on areas related to circles, and in this question we are given a square PQRS and each side is equal to 42 meters, and we have 2 circular flower beds on the side PS and QR with center O, which is the intersection of the diagonals of this square, and the shaded part. So we have to find the area of the shaded part. So we have to find the area of the sectors first. First find out the radius. The diagonals of a square bisect each other at 90 degree. So these angles are 90 degree. Therefore, angle ROQ and angle SOP is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, in triangle ROQ, according to Pythagoras theorem, we have OQ square plus OR square is equal to PQ square. So let's take this as radius square plus radius square is equal to 42 square. So 2R square is equal to 42 into 42, and we have R square is equal to 42 into 21. So let's multiply. We get R square is equal to 21 to 2 here, 84 plus 4, 88. Area of segment here is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. ROQ I can say. Then we have area of the sector formula is theta by 360 into pi r square minus half into base into height. So we have here the angle is 90 degree, 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius square is 882. I can take like that. And this is half into base and height both are same, so that also I can take it as r square, so 882. Now I can take 882 common, and here 1 4, and this is 11 2. 11 by 14 minus half, so we have 882. This will be the area of two segments I need, so I'll write down this 2 into LCM is, here we have 14 and 11 minus 7, so 4. So this we have as 7 2 times 7 1, 2 times 14 and 6. So we have 4 24 10 1 504 meter square. So answer, total area of 2 flower beds is equal to 504 meters square. Question number 25th. This question says, from each end of the solid metal cylinder. Okay, so this is my solid metal cylinder, and the metal was scooped out in hemispherical form of same diameter. So this was scooped out, and the height is equal to 10 centimeter, and its base radius is equal to 4.2 centimeter, and the rest of the cylinder is melted and converted into the cylindrical wire. So this is the cylindrical wire of thickness 1.4 centimeter. So here diameter is equal to 1.4 centimeter, so radius will be 0.7 centimeter, and we have to find the length of the wire. So here I can say the volume of cylinder minus volume of sphere, because hemisphere on the top and hemisphere in the down same radius, so I can just say sphere. This is equal to volume of cylindrical wire, I can say. Let's write down the formula. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h minus volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Both radius are same. Volume of cylinder, so pi r of wire square and h of wire. Let's substitute the values now. So pi I can take common and it will get cancelled. So I'm left with radius 4.2 whole square into 10 minus 4 by 3 into 4.2 into 4.2 whole square is equal to 0.7 whole square into length of the wire. So here we have 3 and 1.4. So now I can take 4.2 whole square common, and this would be 10 minus 5.6 is equal to 0.7 into 0.7 into L. Therefore, L is equal to 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.4 divided by 0.7 into 0.7. This decimal and these decimals are cancelled, and this is 6 and 6. So length I get as 36 into 4.4. Let's multiply. So 36 and 4, 24 and 144. So length I'll get as 158.4, and the unit would be centimeter because everything to us is given in centimeter. So answer, the length of the wire is 158.4 centimeter. Question number 26th. In this question, the diagonal of a rectangular field. So we have a rectangular field and the diagonal is 16 meters more than the shorter side. So we can say let the shorter side be x meters. Diagonal is 16 more than the shorter side. So 16 plus x, this is x. And the longer side is 14 meters more than shorter side. And we have to find length and breadth. Therefore, breadth is equal to x meter, length is equal to x plus 14 meter. And the diagonal is equal to x plus 16 meter. So I know it is a rectangle, so it will be a 90-degree angle here. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we have x square plus x plus 14 whole square is equal to x plus 16 whole square. So we have x square plus 28x plus 196 is equal to x square plus 32x plus 256. So here we have 2x square minus x square plus 28x minus 32x plus 196 minus 256 is equal to 0. Then we have x square minus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. So here we can split the middle term. So sum has to be minus 4 and product has to be minus 60. The numbers are minus 10 and plus 6. So let's split the middle term here. X square minus 10x plus 6x minus 60 is equal to 0. X is common. X minus 10 plus 6 is common. X minus 10 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 6 or it is equal to 10. But as length cannot be negative, therefore x is equal to 10. Therefore breadth is equal to 10 meters and length is equal to x plus 14, 10 plus 14, so 24 meter. So answer, length is equal to 24 meter and breadth is equal to 10 meter. Question number 27th. Question, we have to find the 60th term and n is equal to 60. There are 60 terms and AP is given as 8, 10, 12 and so on. And we also have to find the sum of last 10 term. So I can say A is equal to 8 and D is equal to 10 minus 8, so 2. Tn or An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into T. A is 8, n is 60, so 59 into D is 2. So 8 plus 118 and this is equal to 126. So first answer. So we know the last term or the 60th term is 126. So last term is equal to 126. I can write down my AP as in the reverse form. Will be equal to 126, 124, 122, 120 and so on. So here my A becomes 126, N we have to find for last 10 terms and D here is minus 2 now. So S10 I have to find out and Sn formula is equal to n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into T. So this is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into 126 plus 9 into minus 2. So we have 5 here and 252 minus 18. So this is equal to 5 into 234. This is equal to 1170. Answer I can write down as 60th term is equal to 126 and the sum of last 10 terms is equal to 1170. Question number 28. In this question we are given that a bus is traveling at an average speed for 75 kilometers and then it travels a distance of 90 kilometers with an average speed 10 kilometers per hour more than the first speed, and it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey. So we are supposed to find the first speed. Let the first speed be x kilometer per hour. Speed is equal to distance by time and we are given the total time. So we will find out time here. So we are given that time taken by the first journey and time taken by the second journey is equal to 3 hours. Distance for the first journey is 75 kilometers and we took the speed as x, and for the second one it is 90 kilometers at the speed of x plus 10 kilometers per hour. This is equal to 3. Now let's take 3 common. So 2 and 5 by x plus 30 by x plus 10 is equal to 1. 25 into x plus 10 plus 30x is equal to x into x plus 10. 25x plus 250 plus 30x is equal to x square plus 10x. X square 10x minus 55x, so minus 45x minus 250 is equal to 0. So we have to solve this equation by splitting the middle term where sum is equal to minus 45 and product is equal to minus 250. We can figure out it will be 50 into 5 and this would be negative and this is positive. So we have product as minus 250 and sum is minus 45. So let's split the middle term. We have x square minus 50x plus 5x minus 250 is equal to 0. Now x is common, x minus 50 plus 5 is common, x minus 50 is equal to 0. So x minus 50 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 50 or minus 5. So as the speed cannot be negative, therefore x is equal to 50. So answer I can write down the first speed. The first speed is 50 kilometers per hour. 29th question. In this question we have to prove that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So let's draw the circle and let this be the tangent. So tangent at any point is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Let this point be T and this be O, center of the circle, and let this tangent be AB and point of contact is T. So what we are given here is a circle with center O tangent AB, T is the point of contact, OT is radius of the circle. Okay, so this all is given. We have to prove OT is perpendicular to AB. Let's take any point Q on tangent. So let Q be any point other on tangent AB. If we join this, we know as Q lies outside the circle. Therefore, we can say that OQ is greater than the radius of the circle, or we can say OQ is greater than OT. So this would be for any point Q on the tangent other than T. So any point on tangent other than T will be greater than the radius because it will go out of the circle. We can say therefore OT is the shortest distance between the point O and tangent AB. We can say OT is perpendicular to AB. We can write down the reason. The shortest line segment drawn from a point to a given line is perpendicular to the line. Hence proved. Question number 30. So this is a question on construction. Let's draw the rough diagram first. So we have to have a right angled triangle first. Right angled at B. Let this be A and C. We are given AB as 6 cm and BC as 8 cm. Now we have to draw a perpendicular from B on AC. So this is the perpendicular. And then we have to draw a circle through BCD. So this we have to draw the circle. And then we have to draw the tangents to the circle from A. So one tangent AB already we have, and we have to construct another tangent. Let's start constructing now. So first we are going to make the triangle. So let's take BC as 8 cm. Now we have to draw a 90-degree angle here. So we are going to draw an arc, then with the same radius here and bisecting this angle. So now this is 90 degree and I have taken this as 6 centimeters. So this point is A. So we have got our triangle ABC. Now we have to draw a perpendicular from B on AC. So let's, from B we are going to make an arc where it cuts AC at 2 points. Then from these 2 points we are going to make 2 arcs. So we can join this. So this will be the perpendicular from B on AC. Now we have to draw the circle. This point is D, circumscribing this triangle BDC. So it is the property of right angled triangle that if we find out the midpoint of the hypotenuse, then it will be equidistant from all the three vertices. So then we can draw the circle. Let's construct the perpendicular bisector of BC. So from B, one arc on the side and one on the side. From C, one arc on the side and one arc on the side. Let's join these 2 points. So we have got the perpendicular bisector of BC. So this we can name it as O. This will be equidistant from B, C and D. So now we can make the circle. This is the circle. Now we have to draw the tangents from point A. So one tangent is already there because this is also 90-degree angle. So AB is already a tangent. Now we have to draw the another tangent. So for making the tangent, we need to join the point and the center of the circle. So we have got this. Now we have to construct perpendicular bisector of AO. So from O point, one arc on the side and one arc on the side. From A, one arc on the side and this side. So let's join this. So this is the perpendicular bisector. We get point M. So this is the midpoint. Now taking M as the center, again we are going to draw a circle which is intersecting the previous circle at point B dash. So AB and AB dash are the required tangents to the circle. So we can write down steps of construction. First we constructed the triangle. So a right triangle ABC was constructed such that we took AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC we took as 8 centimeter and angle B is equal to 90 degree. Drawn BD perpendicular to AC. Third perpendicular bisector of BC was drawn. Taking O as center, getting midpoint as O. Taking O as the center and OB or OC as radius. A circle is drawn passing through BDC, BD and C. And AO joined. Okay, then sixth perpendicular bisector of AO is drawn, getting point, taking M as center and AM as radius. A circle is drawn passing through A and O, intersecting the previous circle at B and B dash. 8th, join AB dash. Therefore, AB and AB dash are the required tangents. 31st question. This is the last question of this section as well as this paper. In this question, we are given that area of triangle is equal to 6 square units. And we are given the vertices. x1, y1 is equal to k plus 1, 1. And x2, y2 is given as 4 minus 3, x3, y3 is given as 7 minus k. Let's write down the area of the triangle formula. Area is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Area is 6 and I'll multiply this 2. Now I can substitute the values for the coordinates. So x1 is k plus 1 into y2 is minus 3, y3 is k, plus x2 is 4 and y3 minus k minus 1 plus 7, y1 is 1 minus plus 3. So this is 12 and minus 3k plus k square minus 3 plus k minus 4k minus 4 plus 28. So we have k square and minus 3k minus 4k minus 7k plus k, so minus 6k minus 7 plus 28. So plus 21 minus 12 is equal to 0. So k square minus 6k plus 9 is equal to 0. We have got a quadratic equation here. So we have to split the middle term such that sum is equal to minus 6 and product is equal to 9. So we will have minus 3 and minus 3. We have k square minus 3k minus 3k plus 9 is equal to 0. K is common, k minus 3 minus 3, k minus 3 is equal to 0. So k minus 3 into k minus 3 is equal to 0. So k is equal to 3. That's the answer. Here we have finished this set 2 of 2015 question paper. Stay tuned and see you all.